Personal pronouns in Spanish in 2 minutes. In this video, I will explain you how to say the personal pronouns in Spanish plus 2 important tips, 2 minutes. The first thing that you have to know is that in Spanish we have the same personal pronouns as in English. I, it's yo. You, it's tú. He, it's él. She, ella. We, nosotros. You, vosotros. They, ellos. But here we have to know too that in they we have masculine and feminine. So if it's masculine, it's ellos. If it's feminine, it's ellas. The first tip that it's really important, if you want to speak in a polite way, you have to use usted. In Spanish, we only use usted if we speak in the polite form, okay? But in Latin America, Mexico, Argentina, and all the countries in Latin America, they use usted for the third person of singular, like he or she, they use usted. And there is only one way to say there is not masculine and no feminine. And the tip number 2 is that actually in Spanish, doesn't matter if it's in Spain or Latin America, we don't use the personal pronouns, okay? We will know about who we are speaking about depend of the ending of the verb, the conjugation of the verb. For example, the verb to speak, we will see in the next lesson, don't worry, but the verb to speak, it's I speak, yo hablo, you speak, tú hablas. As you see, it finishes different. So what you have to know is that we don't use the personal pronouns. We only say hablo o hablas. I speak or you speak. For us, we say with a different ending. Yo hablo with the late yo, tú hablas with the late tú. Hablo, hablas. Remember, if you want to learn Spanish, I have a specific course with more than 500 lessons, 300 exercises, and more than 60 hours content. Lifetime only $99. And if you just want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will go to the next lesson.